the topics to focus on for your chemistry examination as you are preparing for your JAMB. As you are preparing for your upcoming chemistry examination in your 2025 JAMB exam, just pay attention to these topics I'm going to be sharing with you. Remember that the essence of a syllabus is to show you the official topics that the questions will be coming from. If you get to your chemistry textbook, you will know that there are quite a lot of topics, but you don't need to read all of them. So you just need to focus on the ones that JAMB in their syllabus has told you that these are the ones that will come out. Reading according to this syllabus I'm going to tell you will help you to pass your chemistry exam in JAMB. So let's just take the topics one after the other. Okay? Remember to watch this video from beginning to the end. The first topic we will be looking at is separation of mixtures and purification of chemical substances. Separation of mixtures and purification of chemical substances. Okay? The topics under this will be pure and impure substances, boiling and melting points. Okay? Elements, compounds, mixtures, chemical and physical changes, separation process. Under the particular separation process, you might need to pay attention to evaporation, simple and fractional distillation, sublimation, filtration, crystallization, paper and column chromatography, simple and fractional crystallization, magnetization and decantation. These are the ones under this topic, under the first topic, which is separation of mixtures and purification of chemical substances. I have told you the subtopics under it. Let's look at the next area. Chemical combination. Okay? Under this topic, under chemical combination, you are expected to study stoichemistry, laws of definite and multiple proportions, laws of conservation of matter, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes, Avogadro's law, chemical symbols, formulae, equations and their uses, relative atomic mass based on 121C12, the mole concept, and Avogadro's number. Remember to watch this video from beginning to the end, and you can also watch this video over and over again so that you can get these things. Now, if you want me to send you this material I'm reading from as a PDF so that you can always look at them, if you want me to send it to you free of charge, I can send it to you free. What you have to do is watch this video from beginning to the end, then come under this topic, under this particular video, and type I have subscribed. Once you watch this video from beginning to the end, come under this video and tell me you have subscribed, and like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel Noble Tutorial, then come under this video and tell me that you have subscribed. Then I will now send you this material I am reading from. Okay? The third topic you need to focus on is kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. Of course, as a chemistry student, you know these gas laws and all of them, but let's look at the particular ones. 1. An outline of kinetic theory of matter: melting, vaporization, boiling, freezing, condensation in terms of molecular motion, and Brownian motion. I want you to just pay attention as I'm mentioning them. The laws of Bohr, that is Bohr's law, Charles' law, Graham and Dalton law, that is law of partial pressure, combined gas law, molar volume and atomicity of gases, the ideal gas equation, that is PV equals to nRT, the relationship between vapor density of gases and the relative molecular mass. Okay? So there are some other things, objectives under each topic. When I send you this material, you should be able to pay closer attention to them, read them. So I'll send it to you free. just watch this video from beginning to the end. Like this video, just boop the like button, then subscribe. When you subscribe, come under this video, tell me you have subscribed. Okay, the next one is atomic structure and bonding. This is a popular topic. Under it, study the concept of atoms, molecules, and ions. The works of Dalton, Millikan, Rutherford, Rosalie, Thomson, and Bohr. Remember, in your chemistry textbook, you will see these topics and subtopics. Then read atomic structure. Read electron configuration, atomic number, mass number, and isotopes. Specific examples should be drawn from the elements of atomic number 1 to 20. That is the first 20 elements. Shapes of S and P orbitals. Of course, you know the orbitals, how to draw them. The periodic table and the periodicity of elements. Presentation of the periodic table with a view to recognizing families of elements, e.g. alkali metals, halogens, the noble gases and transition metals. The variation of the following properties: ionization energy, ionic radii, electron affinity, and electronegativity. Chemical bonding, electrovalency and covalency. Of course, chemical bonding is a popular topic. So under it, study electrovalency and covalency, the electron configuration of elements and their tendency to attain the noble gas structure, hydrogen bonding and metallic bonding, special types of electrovalency, and all the rest. So when I send you this PDF free, you can study these particular compounds that are highlighted here. Shapes of simple molecules. Nuclear chemistry. Under nuclear chemistry, you should look at radioactivity, types and properties of radiations, nuclear reactions, simple equations, uses and applications of natural and artificial radioactivity. Okay? Let's go to the next topic. Air. Remember, these topics I'm mentioning will definitely come out. Okay? Air. Under air, we have the natural gaseous constituents and their properties in the air. Those constituents you should focus more on are nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide, and the noble gases. The two noble gases to focus on are argon and neon. Air as a mixture and some uses of the noble gases. Remember, the gases to focus on for this year's JAMB is argon and neon. Okay, we look at the next topic, water. Water as a product of the combination of hydrogen and its composition by volume. Water as a solvent, atmospheric gas dissolved in water, and the biological significance. Hard and soft water. Temporary and permanent hardness and methods of softening hard water. Treatment of water for town supply. Water of crystallization, efflorescence, delinquency, and hygroscopy. Examples of the substances exhibiting these properties and their uses. Okay? If you have not, remember, watch this video to the end and like this video. Just go ahead right now and boop the like button of this video. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, the next topic I'm giving you from the JAMB syllabus for this year is solubility. Under solubility, we have unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solutions. Then remember to study solubility curves and simple deductions from them. I will send this material so that you can pay closer attention to them. Solvent for fats, oils, and paints, and the use of such solvent for the removal of stains. False solutions, suspension and colloids. Under it, study their properties and examples. Harmattan haze and water paints as an example of suspension and fog. Milk, aerosol spray, emulsion paint, and rubber solution as example of colloids. Okay? So the next topic is environmental pollution. Under it, we'll look at sources and effects of pollutants. Air pollution, examples of air pollutants such as H2S, and all the rest. Oxides of nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbons, and dust. Water pollution, sewage, and oil pollution should be known. Soil pollution, oil spillage, biodegradable and non-biodegradable pollutants. Once you open your chemistry textbook for each of these, you should be able to find this and study them. Okay? Acid, bases, and salt, very important. So under it, look at the subtopics under them. General characteristics and properties of acid, bases, and salts. Acid-base indicator, basicity of acid, normal acid, basic and double acid, or double salt, and acid. Okay. Qualitative comparison of the conductances of molecular solutions of strong and weak acids and bases. pH and pOH scale, simple calculation. Acid-base titrations. Hydrolysis of salt, principles of simple examples, such as, remember in all this, you must also study the calculations that follow each topic. If you also have questions in any of them, feel free to come under this video and ask me. Okay. The 10th topic is oxidation and reduction. Popular topic, you must know it. So the subtopics under them, remember to also study their calculations. Oxidation in terms of the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Reduction as removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. Oxidation and reduction in terms of electron transfer. Use of oxidation numbers. Oxidation and reduction treated as change in oxidation number. Okay. IUPAC nomenclature for inorganic compounds using oxidation number. Text for oxidizing and reducing agents. Okay. The 11th topic is electrolysis. Very popular topic. Electrolytes and non-electrolytes. Faraday laws of electrolysis. Electrolysis of dilute these materials. When I send it to you, you pick out these particular compounds that they will be focusing on. So I will send it to you free of charge. Once you watch this video from beginning to the end, then like this video. If you have not liked it, then come under this video and say I've subscribed. I can now send this material to you. Uses of electrolysis, purification of metals, copper and production of elements and compounds, electrochemical cells, redox series. Remember your redox series. Corrosion as an electrolytic process and all the rest. Okay? That is why you need to get this material so that you can focus on them very well. Then energy changes. Energy changes. Topics under energy changes are energy change accompanying physical and chemical changes. That is dissolution of substances in or reaction with water, endothermic and exothermic reactions, entropy. Remember your entropy as an entropy, spontaneity of reactions, and all the rest. Okay. The 13th topic is rates of chemical reaction. Temperature, concentration, surface area, powered form, lumps of the same mass, catalysts, reaction rates curves, activation energy, qualitative treatment of Arrhenius law. Remember their calculations and collision theory, effect of light on some reaction, e.g. halogenation of alkenes. Okay, we move on. Then we'll come to the 14th topic, chemical equilibrium. Reversible reactions and factors governing the equilibrium position, dynamic equilibrium, Lachatarias principle and equilibrium constant. This is very important. This topic will come out. Simple examples to include action of steel iron and all the rest. So when I send you this material, you pay closer attention to them. If you also have questions, feel free to ask me. The 15 topics, non-metals and their compounds. Just to focus on hydrogens, halogens, oxygen and sulfur, nitrogens, carbon. Just read up everything you find about them. Okay? Then next for you, as you prepare for your JAMB, is metals and their compounds. Under them, study general properties of metals, alkali metals. Under alkali metals, study sodium hydroxide, sodium triisocarbonate, sodium hydrogen triisocarbonate, production by solvent process, sodium chloride. Then study alkene earth metals like calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, and calcium triisocarbonate. Their properties, their uses, how to prepare them, and all the rest. Remember their calculations too. Aluminium purification of biocides, electrolyte extraction, properties and uses of aluminium and its compound. Aluminium is very important. Tin extraction, metals of the effects transition series. Iron extraction from sulfide and oxide ores. Copper extraction from sulfide and oxide ores. These are very important. That's why I promise to send you this material free of charge so you can pay attention to them. Closer attention. Okay, we now have organic compounds. For organic compounds, focus on an introduction to the tetravalency of carbon, general formula, IUPAC nomenclature, and determination of empirical formula for each class. Aliphatic hydrocarbons, alkene halogens, alkene halogens, alkyne ethenes, aromatic hydrocarbons, alkanols, alkanones, alkanoic acids, alkanoates, amines, carbohydrates, proteins, polymers. Very important. So focus on them. Remember, if you have not liked this video, like it now and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. Then chemistry and industry is another topic. So under it, study chemical industries, types, raw materials using them, relevances, and biotechnology. Okay. So these are just the areas. I will also, if you want me to tell you the particular textbooks to use to study this thing, as those ones recommended by JAMB, you can also let me know. Remember, feel free to ask your questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video. Just click on share, copy the link, share it to all your friends, your classmate groups on all the platforms so that they will also watch and benefit.